Hi, my name is Peyton and welcome back to my channel. Grab your pinkity drinkity, this is about to be a long video. Hi guys, so I'm finally back to my channel. I got really sick and was down for like a week and a half. So I'm finally back. So before we get into today's video, I'm going to do my fun fact about me. So this week's fun fact about me is that on Christmas Eve every year I go over to my grandpa's house and I do it with my dad's side of the family, and then on Christmas I do it with my stepdad's side and my mom's. So it's really exciting because I get to see my entire family and I'm pretty excited about it. So I hope everyone has a very Merry Christmas, and let me know what your guys' plans are for Christmas. So first up, I'm going to do my brows, and I'm going to go in with my MAC Shape and Shade brow. It's like a marker like I normally do, and I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows just so, like I always say, if I make any mistakes, I can just cover it with foundation. She already made a mistake. I can just cover it with foundation. But I was going to tell you guys, my setup is a little bit different right now because my mirror, I have this like big mirror that had like a big light on it, kind of like a ring light, and it worked great for the lighting for the videos and everything, but it broke, and I've had it for like 2 years. And so now I am using this little tiny like blue mirror right here that you guys can see, and it doesn't have a light or anything on it, so I have my flashlight on my phone set up in front of the camera. And so bear with me. Hopefully Santa brings me a new mirror, but if not, I'm gonna have to buy one myself. So that's what I've been dealing with. It just broke like right before I got sick, and then obviously I wasn't filming because I was sick, so you know how that goes. Now that I did my brows, I'm gonna go in with my First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Primer. I always tell you guys how much I love this brand and how much it's really just kind of helped my skin. A kind of little bit of an update on my skincare. The doxycycline pills didn't really work for me. I finished the bottle and I'm waiting to go back to the dermatologist late January. So I don't really know what we're gonna, like how we're gonna go from here, or what we're gonna do about my skin. But I mean, it's not horrible obviously, but I still get breakouts like right there, right there, right there, right there, and you know, around my lips. These are still healing, and it's very embarrassing, and it really is painful. I mean, obviously. So I know a lot of other people have it worse than me, and to some people, you know, my skin isn't that bad, but to me it's always been a really huge insecurity of mine since I was 13 and it all started. So I'm trying everything I can do to fix it and, you know, work that out, but we will see where it all goes and see what they come up with. I got my nails done. I really love them. They're white, and then I don't know if you can really see, but see the thumb and the ring finger have like different stripes on them, like pastel colors. It has yellow, pink, blue, and green, like a little, kind of like a Jolly Rancher candy cane. That was my thought process in all of this. So that's what I thought about when I wanted them, because I didn't want the, you know, regular red and white, because I thought everyone had that, and I kind of love nude colors, so I just thought, well, I'll go with that. So I'm gonna go in with my new favorite foundation. I used to use the Born This Way by Too Faced, but I don't know, it just kind of like, once my skin got drier because of the acne medicine, it didn't really work for me anymore. So I like the Stay Naked by Urban Decay, their new foundation. It's like 24-hour wear, and after I seen Jeffrey's video on it, I was like, I have to have this. I'm the shade 11 in, and I absolutely love it. I already put some on my brush, and I'm using my Morphe, what is this? Y6 brush. This is like the collection from Laura Lee when she did a collection with them a long time ago. I got it, and I love these brushes. They're such good quality, and they're very affordable. And this foundation looks absolutely perfect on my skin. Once it's blended, obviously. And then I always put it on my eyes as like a primer. Now I'm going to go in with my Airspun setting powder. And I already have some poured in the lid. I'm going to go in with my Morphe Y11 brush and just kind of set everything. My face is kind of dry around my nose, so I don't want to put too much around that area. I'm just going to kind of put it on my chin area and a little bit on my cheeks to kind of set the foundation. But I'm going to stay away from like my nose because then I'm going to set the foundation on my eyes, so when we do the eyeshadow it looks good and it doesn't look bad. But I'm going to stay away from my nose because it's pretty dry today, which is not fun at all, but I don't know what the deal is with my skin. I'm just going to put this powder on and then we'll move on. So I'm going to go in and do a little bit of contour with my Park Ave Princess palette by Tarte, and I'm going to take obviously the lightest on my Morphe R14 brush. That's what I thought it was. I'm going to go in with the color, it's called Princess Cut, and I'm going to mix a little bit of Angel together. It doesn't take much to contour my face because I'm very pale. So I always like smile, so I know I start here and go up like that. And at first it looks like a really harsh line because I'm so pale, but once you blend it in, it just looks like I'm bronzed. I'm not the biggest fan of blush. I know a lot of people use blush, but I'm not really into it because I have pink undertones anyways, so I'm not really into that. But I think it would be fun if everyone commented down below what they would like for Christmas or what they end up getting for Christmas or what they're giving. That's awesome too. Me and my two best friends did a gift exchange, and I'm actually wearing one of the shirts that one of my friends got me. She got me like a set from Pink, so it came with like the leggings and the shirt. It's so cute. But I think it would be so cool if everyone did that, and instead of like put what they're getting, or I mean what they got, like what they're giving too. So I not only do my cheekbones, I do my jawline, like right here, so it looks more defined, and obviously it looks really dark right now, but I'm gonna lighten that up. But the good thing is this has like a light whiter in it, so I can just kind of take that, like a little bit of it, not much, and lighten that up. See how quickly that lightens up? And then I take a little bit more, and I always dust the excess off, and then I take it and I do my tops of my forehead, just so it kind of brings everything together, and it makes your face look symmetrical, is what I was trying to say, and kind of just come together a little bit more. And your cheekbones look great. I don't do a whole lot of contour just because I'm so pale, so a little bit goes a long way with me. But I've always wanted darker skin just to kind of see what I could do with it. So I'm going to finish this up and be right back with highlight. So for highlight, I'm going to go in with my Platinum Eyes palette by Jeffree Woo. And I'm going to go in with the Ice Cold, which is right up at the top. And it's kind of like a gold highlighter. I'm trying to find my brush. And then I'm going to go in with my Morphe R36, the same highlight brush I use all the time. And I'm kind of just going to pack it on because I love highlighter and I love to glow. So pretty. It's like my favorite part, other than the eyes, of doing my makeup. My least favorite part, I think, would be this foundation because, I don't know, I just don't really like my skin, so I guess that's probably why it's my least favorite part. I could pack that on for hours. It's so pretty. I love it. I love highlighter. It's so beautiful. Okay, so I found the perfect palette to use. Look, it says Christmas morning, and then it says like to and from, and it's by Give Me Glow. And then when you open it up, it has a mirror. Hang on, I'll hold it up. And it looks like little Christmas balls. Isn't it so pretty? So I thought it would be, you know, perfect to do a look with today. Very, very festive. I'm first gonna go in with this pink color right here. And actually, no, I'm not. I'm gonna go with the brown. I'm gonna go in with my, let me grab my brush. Oh, here it is. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this fluffy brush, and it is the Morphe R39. So I'm gonna go in with this called Chimney, and it's like a brown. So I'm gonna start in the inner corner of my eye and kind of work. Ooh, that's a darker brown than I expected it to be. It's pretty, but it's darker than I thought it was going to be. And then I'm just going to kind of blend that in, because I think it's going to be really pretty if I add like a red kind of in right here and then do a glittery cut crease. I think that's going to be the look. I'm kind of going for a Christmas look that like anyone can wear to something like festive-y. Festive-y, that's not a word. And then I'm going to go in with Cozy Fire. And these are like really powdery. I've never used this palette. And then I'm going to start here in the inner, ooh, see, that's pretty. In the inner corner and kind of mix that in with the brown. See, it mixes really, really pretty. Alright, I went ahead and caught up the other eye off of camera, so I'm going to go in now with, I'm trying to decide which glitter I want to use to do the cut crease, so I think I'm going to go in with this silver up here. So, is that silver? Yeah, I'm going to go in with silver because I just think it would be really pretty and kind of go with the look. So, I got the silver on my Morphe M421 brush. It's just a flat brush. It's best to do glitter with flat brushes. And then, ooh, look at this. And I'm going to take it and do my half. So pretty. So pretty. I'm just going to do it to there. And then, that is so pretty, oh my god. That's just like one too. Okay, and then I'm going to do the other eye. And I'm just kind of packing the glitter on. I didn't even spray anything on it either, wow. I'm impressed. And then, I'm going to start here. And just go up and over. You want to start in the crease of your eye, obviously. But if you have hooded eyes, you can go above it. You'll probably need to cut it with concealer though, if you do that. That is so pretty, oh my gosh. Okay. And then, I have this idea. I don't know if it'll work, but, so I'm going to take this tiny little brush right here. And it is the Morphe M2501. It's a lot to say. It's this little tiny eyeliner brush, but I'm going to take green, like, on my brush. And I don't know why, but I just kind of want to make it look like I'm a Christmas festive present. And I'm going to go under my eye with it. Not a lot though. Ooh, it is working. Okay. Like I said, not a lot. I just wanted like a little bit of pop of color, you know? And I think it's kind of perfect. under the eye to just line it. I love that. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and be back to do mascara. So we're almost done with the eyes. I'm gonna go back in with the flat brush and go back in with the ice cold highlighter. And I'm gonna highlight the inner corners of my eye just to kind of give it a pop. So pretty. And kind of, right there. It's kind of blended in a little. I love adding highlight because in the inner corners I feel like it brings the whole look together and just makes everything. And then I put it under my brows because it kind of insinuates the brows. Makes your brow bone look higher like your eyes. And then I'm going to go in with my favorite mascara, the Real by Benefit. And I'm going to finish up the eyes. I wonder what your guys' looks are for Christmas are going to be. This is just a random look that I came up with. I thought it would be pretty because I wanted to incorporate kind of like pinks and browns and a little bit of green. I normally don't do many greens on my eyes, but I think it's pretty once in a while for the holidays. So now that I did my mascara, I'm gonna do this lip stain by Sephora. It's called Made in Italy, and it's just like a really pretty nude. Since the eyes are kind of, you know, glittery and everything, I'm just gonna go with this really pretty light nude matte to kind of tie in the whole look. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this week's video, and comment down below what looks you would like to see me do next. I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas and gets everything on their wish list. As always, thanks for rolling with me. Excuse my dogs. I was falling when I looked inside your eyes. I know you are the one. Lauren, my best friend, literally has that song stuck in my head. I'm not even into Why Don't We, but of course, she constantly goes and sees them and loves them, and now that song is stuck in my head because when I was in the shower this morning it was playing on my playlist and now it's stuck in my head. So let me just start over.